Hi everyone, welcome to our webinar. So today I will introduce something about our app, the Hik-Partner Pro. It's the security business assistant for everyone. Okay, so this is an all-in-one mobile app. It's made to help our partners manage security products more easily and sufficiently. It comes with helpful tools and smart features. Okay, so to get started, just scan the QR code on the left to download the HPP app, and also don't forget to scan the QR code on the right to check in today's event. Let's look some general concepts about HPP. HPP is one-step security service platform to give the Hikvision partners easy access. It combines the best of two tools, the Hik-Partner and also the Hik Pro Connect. This means better control, smarter management all in one place. You can easily manage your devices from anywhere. And you can also get big information hub, search and share the product or industrial news fast. If you find something interesting and need to send it to the customer, you can just click and share the customers. In addition, there are extra features too, like co-branding, the cloud storage, the cloud VMS, and more ways to grow your business. Okay, so let's look at some common pain points across the whole workflow. In the pre-sale stage, the tools are too complex. It's very hard to get started, and the information about the products is limited. During the installations, the network setup is unclear. You have to jump between systems, and also sometimes the technical skills wasn't enough. In the management phase, it's very difficult to understand the whole systems. Multiple systems control makes the things confused. And finally, for the maintenance, the costs are very high. Programs are very difficult and hard to locate it, and even submitting a repair request isn't easy. There are the challenges many installers and integrators face today. So, how does the HPP solve these problems? Our answer is fast delivery, easy management, and efficient maintenance. First, for the fast delivery, you can connect the devices quickly using the Wi-Fi or other method. Then, using your phone to auto-search and activate them. Once it's done, you can hand everything over to the customers just in few steps. And the next is the easy management. You get a clear network layout that visualizes the topology. You can get a clear network, and you can also do full remote configurations for cameras and switch. There is no need to be on site. And finally, the efficient maintenance. You can manage all your sites remotely. If something goes wrong, you can check the health status, the error messages, or even port connections, all from your phones. It's very simple, fast, and very powerful. Now, let's go through how to set up and deliver a service devices using the HPP. For the first step, you can open the HPP app to make sure your phone is connected on the same Wi-Fi as devices. The app will auto-search the inactive devices. Just click the active to move on. For the step 2, now you can enter the administrator password and device code. You can save this as default to skip it for the next tab. Then either auto-link to the channels or do it manually if you prefer. The app will be handed to the rest. Something like upgrade the firmware, sync time, and get storage ready. Once done, you will be guided to enable remote management. You can also hand the devices over your customers. There are two options for this. The first one is you can transfer the devices, which give full control to the user. And the second option is shared devices, So the user get access, but you will still manage it. That's it. Just 3 steps and you can have done. And also you can see on the right hand side, it has some screenshot about the whole workflow on our HPP app. This one is the step 2. You can connect to Wi-Fi and search the devices. And after that, you can initialize the channels and also some devices settings. After that, you will using the QR code to hand over to the customers. You can choose transfer devices or share the devices. Okay, next, let's talk about the remote maintenance. This is where the HPP really saves time. Firstly, you can remote configuration. You can open the full web interface right from your phone or laptop. That means you can do the things like playback, change the image settings, manage the NVR accounts, or even reboot the devices. All these things can be done by remotely. And secondly is the remote upgrade. We offer multiple ways to reset the re, we offer multiple ways to do that. When there is a new versions, you can see some promise. You can just click the upgrade and the update will be done automatically. There are no need to go to on-site. And thirdly is the remote passwords. We offer multiple ways to reset the passwords based on the different scenario. For example, you can use the SADP if you are in the same local network, or you can using scanning if you are near the devices. And also, you can just reset directly through the HPP if your devices is already linked. It's very fast, very simple, and work with most devices. It's a real-time saving for the installers. Okay, now let's take a look about the password resetting. The HTTP gives you multiple ways to reset the device's passwords, depending on the situations. We can break it down into 2 very simple steps. The step 1, if the device is all ready to be added into the HPP and hand over to the Hack Connect customers. If the answer is no, then you can just using the LAN method like the SADP. If the answer is yes, we can move to the step 2. In the step 2, if the device is in the step 2, if the phone and device is in the same network. If the answer is yes, we can just use the devices on HPP options to reset on sites. It's very quick and very easy. However, if the answer is no, we can also still have some options to solve this problem. The option 1 is we can go to sites and scan the devices directly. The option 2 is we can apply remotely through the HPP. The HPP will send a resetting request to the Hack Connect user, and they will finish the rest from their side. So whether you are on site or far away, there will always be a smooth way to reset. It's very safely and efficiently. Okay, let's look at the remote maintenance, especially for the site management. With HPP, the installer can easily find and manage all the customer sites. You can record the detailed customer information, which really helps with tracking both device and the information. The map view will make everything more visible. You can quickly locate any sites, edit the addresses, and spot the problems in a very few seconds. It's very fast, clear, and really improve your efficiency when handling multiple customers. Okay, now let's talk about how to manage the employees in the app. It's super easy and straightforward. First, to add a new employee, you can just click the Add Employees button. Fill the basic information and choose their role, like the administrator or some technical people. Next, if you want to adjust the rules or permissions, You can just go to the employee list to click the management. You will be taken the role and permission settings. And if you need to disable someone account, you will see the red from the list. A confirmation box will be pop up and make sure it's not done by mistakes. So it's very quick, clear, and easy to control. Next, let's talk about the healthy monitoring. This is the key for fast service. With HPP, you can check the device's status anytime. It helps you to catch up the issue easily, even before the customer notice. The system checks if there's something or the device is online or offline for every 4 minutes. And it checks other status like the storage or the HDD health every 30 minutes. When something goes wrong, you can see the alerts like to be continued to be checked or offline. From there, you will be quickly troubleshooting and mark the issues as solved or fast along. There is no more waiting for the complaints. You can stay one step ahead. Okay, let's talk about the value added service, the cloud storage. It helps you to play back the key videos events for extra safety. There are two options. The first is we have local and cloud storage. It saves the video locally and also can back up 1 to 2 channels to the cloud. This is great for some small startup or some basic use. And also the second one is the local and cloud storage. This one lets you to play back multiple or all channels to the cloud. It's made for bigger projects that need to be full projections. So no matter your setup size, there also is a cloud of solutions ready for you. It always help you to find the best service and also find the best protection method for you. Okay, here is another value-added service, the co-branding. With this feature, your company logo will be shown on the multiple pages in the end user's Hike Connect app, like the start page, the log page, the about page, or even the strip down banner. Once enabled, your branding also appear on the NVR and DVR interfaces, including the start up and the live view pages. It's a very simple way to build up the brand visibilities and trust. It can directly insert to the tools that your customers already use. You can see on the right-hand side is the screenshot from the end user's app. There are many logos shown on their pages. For example, the start pages, the login pages, and also the about pages. And this one is showing the NVR and DVRs. You can see there also can be a very significant logo in their screen. So it's very helpful for you to build the visibilities and trust. Okay, now let us look at what the next value-added service is the maintenance quotation. This feature gives you an automatic quotation book. It's super useful for the customer and also very super useful for the service provider. You can set and record the price for each type of the maintained service and also export the PDF quotations and send them to the customer fast. And even build your own customer service package to create more business opportunities. Right now, this feature is available on the web port only. It can support 32 customer service items and also 8 built-in ones. So you can make the quotas more fit for each customer's need. Okay, now let's take a look about our screen, the product homepage. Everything you need is right here. On the product homepage, you will see some banners on the top. This one is the banners. This is where you can catch the latest products, the promotions, and also the events. Below that, there is a full list about our product categories. You will land the product list page. Here, you can filter by series and also something by parameters. You can quickly find the product that fits your projects. And also, you will see some new and hot tags on the popular or new released models. So it's easy to stay up to date and discover the best sellers. You can, for example, in this one, you can see some products with the new tags and also some hot tags. This one means this is popular and some best sellers product. Okay, now let's take a look about our explore sections. It's a very great place to stay informed and up to date. First, you will find some handouts. These are fresh marketing materials that you can view and share directly with the customers. Next, there are lots of information available, all organized by categories and formats. So you can use the filter to easily filter what you want to need. For example, by the product type, by the case studies or videos. There are also the event tab on there, where you can register on the trainings, roadshows, and other marketing events. And finally, we have a TechZone here. This is your go-to space for the practical guides, like how to configure, install, troubleshoot, or learn the product basics. Let's talk about our support and how the HPP helps you to find the answers faster. You can access the Tech Zone, where you will find how-to videos and guide on installations, setup, and troubleshooting. This is super handy when you want quicker step-by-step help. There are also floating support centers in the app. Here you can search for the articles, reset password, or contract supports directly. And even if you are hurry, you can just ask the chatbot. Both chatbot and tech zones are available on the app and web portal, so the support is always in reach. The HPP also offers a set of practical tools to boost your work efficiency. You can find these tools on the both mobile app and, and the web portal. The right hand side is the screen from the web portal, and also the left side is the tool list on the app. On the app, you can even customize your homepage. You can rearrange the tags and fit your daily users. This helps you to plan the installations, the calculation resources, and also manage the tasks much faster and easier. Whether you are in phone or using the web, the tools can always help you and accessible. And if you ever run into an issue, here is how you can quickly to get help. The HPP lets you to submit a support case directly through the app or portal. This goes straight to the Hikvision support teams. There are no middle steps. It's a very simple and clear process. Fill the case details and the pictures of the issues. It supports many formats about the pictures. And also you can select the Programs tab from the drop-down list and help to speed up your responsible time. And you will also get instant notifications on your app so you can track the progress. The system checks for your account information right away. There is no need for back and forth verifications. It's very fast, organized, and helps you to solve the problems without delay. Now let's take a look for our videos about our new functions in ARM-A. Okay, next, let's take a look about our new functions on the app. It's our SMB solutions. It's designed to help the small and medium business grow. This solution provides the devices plan for the office, shops, condos, and more. It includes everything a business needs to stay secure and efficient, from indoor monitoring to the protections. And also you can see this is an example screenshot for the office. You will see all the products needed to this scenario. And also we provide the product information and also the product model numbers. And this one is the SMB solution shown in the app. On the left, you can see the SMB production sections. Here, the Hikvision offers complete solutions for many scenarios. You can filter by type, like access control, the video security, or the time attendance, to find what fits your needs. And in the middle, we get more detailed information about the solution layout. This gives you an overview about what kind of devices can be included and how many they applied into the real-world scenario. It helps the retailers and business of all sizes to improve the operations and security. And finally, you can see on the right, there is the quotation tools. You can select devices and insistently to generate a quotation from your customers. It including the pricing and also the product details. And this price is can write by yourselves. And finally, let's look at our points pro operations. You can get many points by completing the task like adding devices, check-in, attending the event, or more. Some tasks have daily or monthly limits, while others offer bonus points for a continued engagement. And you can see this is the list. This includes many point tasks included in the app, and this is the values for each of them. And this column is the daily limits and also the monthly limit. You can use this one to follow up and get more points through the app. And the points earned from the daily task can be used to our rewards store to redeem the real gifts. You can see there is various selections waiting for you in the gift center. And sometimes you can also use the points to redeem some value-added service. For example, is the co-branding, the numbers of the employees, or the service annual package, and something so on. And remember, all the sites and devices access in the HPP request to the owner's approval. So the permissions are time limited. It has 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, or permanent options, and it can be reviewed or removed anytime in the Hike Connect app. So while ensuring to the user's privacy is the first thing and is always protected. And thank you everyone to join today's webinar. And if you didn't download the HPP app, you can scan the QR code now to get the app and to help you to get more efficiency and more business opportunities.